guys, now I'm holding a Rubik's Cube in my hand and this is going to be the topic of this video. So discussing about the topic of the video, I'm going to be reviewing and showing you that there is an app for solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so talking about this app mostly helps us in solving a Rubik's Cube like this. So not most of the beginners always scramble the Rubik's Cube and don't know how to solve it. We go to someone who know to solve Rubik's Cube, or we find a solution in internet sometimes. But after checking the solutions in internet, I couldn't find a solution. So while I was checking some apps for reviewing for a video, so I saw this app Cubex and it caught my attention. So when I checked about the app, so it showed few images of the app in Play Store, and it showed like pattern solver for a Rubik's Cube. So then I clicked, so I installed it, and this video's topic is going to be the same, reviewing and showing you that there is an app for solving a Rubik's Cube, and even it has many features. So now let's get started with the video. Before that, my name is Sai Prakash and welcome to my channel SPR Sai Product Reviews. Let's get started with the video. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification when I post my new video. Any comments, please comment in the comment section right below. So guys, right here you are seeing a screen of a mobile and it has the app Cubex right here. So now today's video, as I said earlier, we are going to review and I'll be showing an app that it can solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this app has a rating of 4.6, which is very great. That's why I was checking in the Play Store, most rated this. So here is the screen clearly, you can check, and I'll be scrolling here, and the app name is Cubex. Okay, I'm scrolling it, and it has 6 buttons in front. Those are manual input, camera input, pattern solver, virtual cube, cube timer, settings. Okay, to solve a Rubik's Cube we need to use the pattern solver. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the pattern solver, as it is one of the main theme of our video to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now we'll be going and clicking the pattern solver. Excuse me. Yeah, so now I have clicked the pattern solver, and here we are having options as from, to. Okay, there are options from and to, and here we are having another option set and another option set. So from this scrambled one we need to go to a fully solved state. So here when we click on set, we are having 5 options. Okay, those are manual input, camera input, solved state, random, patterns. But here we need a solved state, so I'm clicking the solved state, and you can even put if you want orange in the middle and red around, and red in the middle and orange around, like that you can even keep that. But now for this video I'm clicking a solved state. Okay, and here we are having an option, as I said, from. So from this we need to go to the solved state. Okay, so now I'm first going to show you the first option here, that is manual input, and now I'm clicking on it. So before clicking on manual input, we will first see how they have arranged the Rubik's Cube. So we need to check and we need to keep the Rubik's Cube in the correct order so that we keep the input correctly. So here on the front, we are on the top of the Rubik's Cube, there should be the main color green. Okay, so from here you will be seeing the Rubik's Cube, not my face. Okay, please check that. So guys, here you are seeing is the Rubik's Cube, and here you are seeing is the screen. Okay, so first of all, I'm as they have shown here, green is in the top, orange is in the right, but here we have red. So now I'm changing it. So here we are having orange, green and blue in the bottom and red in the left side, white in the back, yellow in the front. Okay, so this is how we need to catch it also when we in manual input. Now I'm going to set the manual input option. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep the Rubik's cube here. Okay, okay, so first we are going to input the green color. So now I am clicking on the green, and here I am clicking green. So as here we are having green. Okay, and now I am choosing blue because we are having 2 blues. Next I am going to choose yellow, 3 yellows, a white and an orange. Okay, so now I am clicking on this option, that is next phase, and here we are having orange, and we need to rotate in this direction correctly so it won't go wrong. And here we are having 4 whites, so I'm clicking on the same one, and I think you are able to see that. And there are 2 reds, 1 orange and a green. Okay, now I'm moving on to the next phase, that is blue. And okay, green, red, orange, white, and again 2 greens and 1 more orange right here. So I'm going to the next phase, and again I'm going to rotate in this direction. So here we are having red and a green, 2 blues, a white, a yellow, and it's another red. Okay, 4 reds. So now I'm moving on to the next phase, that is yellow. So better be careful at these times. So here we are having green and here we are having orange. So what you have to do at this times is, we are having yellow this side, not from this side you shouldn't do, because the side changes. So from green you have to turn it. So we had green in this position, and here is yellow. So now I'm clicking on yellow, and we are having 3 blues, 2 reds, an orange and a green. So moving on to the next phase, not this. Now again I'm here, again I'm moving it here. So here we are having 1 green, 3 yellows, 3 oranges and a white. Okay, I think it's correct. And here we are having an option as set. I am clicking on it. Now I'm going to click the solve pattern, the option solve pattern right here. Now I clicked on it. It has till now it has found 2 solutions, 3 solutions, 4 solutions of 19 moves. Great, that's fast. Okay, and it's taking time, so I'm going with the solution 4. So now I'm pressing the solution 4, solve, and now I'm clicking on the option ready. So now it's rendering the cube. Okay, so now we are in the same position. Okay, it's saying us tips. Navigate using the buttons or the seek bar. Okay, tap on this area to play or pause. Long press to select speed. Okay, and swipe to rotate and pinch to zoom the cube. Okay, dismiss. Now I am starting it. F2. Okay, now I am going to do that. Okay, it showed to like this. Okay, so I think it is correct. Okay, next here we are having, I'm clicking on the next, and D. Okay, and next one B2, Yes. Okay. F2. Okay, so now I'm going on to the next one. Okay, I think it's all correct. U2. Okay, backwards 2. Okay, R. Okay, F. Okay, U2. Okay, F. So here we have this. Okay, L. Okay, B, backward. Okay, up 1. I think it's near F2. Okay, upward. Okay, okay, yes, we have completed. Yes, no need. Okay, now I pressed it. I think you can see here it's fully solved. So guys, as I said, we can solve our Rubik's Cube in this app, and now I have shown it even. And now, as I said, even I will explore other features of this app. Now we will go and explore other features of this app. Okay, now I'm clicking back and back. Okay, and here now we have options: manual input, camera input, pattern solver, virtual cube, cube timer, settings. Even in pattern solver we can use camera input. Oh, I have allowed it. Okay, so like this. So we can even camera input like this. So first we need to calibrate. Now we need to fix like this so that it will be easy for even the app to do. Now we need blue. Yes, and we can even add more calibrations like this. Okay, now I am going to add the. So we can even keep a solid state like this, like that, and we can even scan this. Okay, so that we can better go with camera input, which is even faster. But if you want, you can go with manual input also in pattern solver. So here in this manual input, once we manually input all the colors, we can solve that. So in this manual input option and camera input option, we can solve a cube that we can give the patterns. The pattern we give, we can solve that. In this virtual cube, it's directly a virtual cube. Now if we click on the scramble, the app will only scramble and give it to us, and we can do. And even the time will be short. So like that. And in this cube timer, when most of the people who go for records or competitions for Rubik's Cube, they learn this, okay, right here, like that. Once we hold on it, it will be start, and we need to fastly do that, and again, so like this. This app is useful for ones who are training, and even for the beginners who have already scrambled their Rubik's Cube even before learning. So we can solve, and again we can learn. So why I suggest this app is because most of the solutions I tried in the YouTube did not work for me, but I don't know if it has worked for you. I'm using this app, so it's showing us the right solution, and see how it has done. You can see it right here, okay, like that. I have done it. Even you can use many more options, and in the settings where having select solver and these, you can, it's on your own, okay. You can change if you want, okay. So guys, this is for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you from the whole team of SPR Sai Product Reviews. Please wear mask when you go out. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.